excited. So we had the Northern Nightmare for a qualifier. We took 6 guys out of that. We went to Pleasure Valley where it was the EVS Open. We had 48 entrants. So not only the qualified riders, but guys that just had awesome YouTube clips, Instagram stuff, and hand-selected 10 of those guys. We have about 50 people here at Pastranaland, and the track is officially way too big for pit bikes. It's gonna be great. I'm fully padding up for this.
That was good! I didn't hit the tree!
Pads? Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, oh, we just run practice. No, this is not a pit bike track. This is a pro national.
You want to talk about a real pit bike national? This is it. Within the first 2 laps, at least 5 people tomahawk themselves like 50 foot down a hill. It's everything you want and more.
All right, we got the industry race. So 3 people per team, total of 6 teams. They change out every lap. We got Brett Moffitt leading the charge. This is gonna be great.
Handlebars are bent. Oh, Smokey, she wouldn't run.
The big jump either gets them here or gets them in the big berm. That guy went off the berm 1 lap and then hit the face of the other one. Look at this guy.
You can tell this is the amateur lap.
Yes, the amateur class is
amazing to watch. We got guys bailing here, going off the berm, hitting the wall. Amazing.
Dude, congratulations, a second place.
First loser. I'll take it though. I feel like I really let my team down. I stalled it. Like I shut the gas off on some dude.
That's just me.
That's me. He might have came up short on something. I don't know. If he's hurt, I'm sorry. If not, it's all fun and good.
I had a great time. Baby. Yeah, wrestling tactics came into play, and I'm not afraid to whoop ass.
Amazing. If we build it,
They will come.
High five the camera. Here we go. No, you don't really need that.
I have never been this excited for anything ever done in my house. I've got kids soap, so it's good on your eyes. And we've got the biggest slip and slide I've ever made.
That is more than enough soap, sir.
No, there's a legitimate concern of going all the way over that back.
Are you serious?
Absolutely.
I think I should go first and we're going from the top because
Well, because if you die, you know,
it's my house. Soap me up, baby! Oh, fuck. Give me a good push. Coming down. That's pretty good. I'm excited. Let's do this.
Go, America! And he's dead. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, that's gonna hurt.
Oh yeah, coming in hot.
That was the best idea ever!
That was bad.
That might not be okay.
That is unbelievable.
NASCAR!
Oh, geez.
baby shampoo. That way it doesn't burn your eyes. And it's super slippery.
What do you think, Justin?
Pretty sweet. Don't touch so early and smack your head off the ramp.
That guy just hit his head so hard.
This is so fun. This is
I can't see anything. My eyes started burning, and I'm not crying. Wicked.
no introductions here. This is Dusty Waggle.
Not bad, not bad. I'll give him a 7.
He has the fastest time. Now the slip and die.
Go, slip and bleed in the house. Yeah. Go, slip and bleed. Slip and bleed. Slip and bleed. Slip and bleed. There's a lot of blood. There's a lot of carnage, and there's a lot of excitement.
How many concussions can you get in one night? That's what we're doing here.
As the temperature drops, so do the bulges in these man's pants.
Good, clean fun.
Yeah, the slip and bleed came back. Version like 10.8, but definitely cool. Awesome day. Awesome people, awesome friends, awesome sponsors, and had a lot of fun. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah.